Humans are the only animals that enjoy spicy foods. Potato chips cause more weight gains than any other food. It's impossible to hum while you hold your nose. The least interesting day in history was April 11th, 1954. Aldous Huxley and C.S. Lewis died on the same day as JFK. Bigger forks lead you to eat less. Chewing gum after a meal reduces heartburn. Dogs can smell cancer. Bees can detect bombs. Follow for more!